mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin yung dalawang joker guys. Kukuha tayo ng 4 na card guys. Yung spectators guys, sasabihin niya lang kung stop. Hanggang kailan niya gusto mag-stop guys yung spectators. Sample, stop sabi niya guys. Same process guys, sasabihin niya lang kung stop. Hanggang sa gusto niya. Kung kailan niya gusto mag-stop guys. Sample, stop sabi niya guys. Set aside natin to guys. Siyempre guys, sasabihin niyo lang kung stop yung spectators. Hanggang sa kailan niya gusto mag-stop guys yung spectators. Sample, stop sabi niya guys. Siyempre guys, hanggang kailan niya gusto mag-stop yung spectators guys. Sample, stop sabi niya guys. Mayroon tayong prediction guys. Prediction. The 4 face down cards are number 5. Ang sabi niya guys sa prediction, 4-5 daw ito guys yung naka face down card or nakataob. 4, 5 or 4 na 5 guys. Buksan natin guys kung tama yung prediction ng magician guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.